Hello, little learner. Today we are going on an amazing number adventure with wooden stick. We will create colorful number and learn to count together. Are you ready? So let's begin. First, let's make the number 1. We have one stick. I need to cut it into two parts with scissors. You do with your mom and dad. Okay, now we have one long stick and one small stick. Now the time to pasting it. We take little amount of glue and then we paste it. Great, our number 1 is ready. We need one long stick for this special number. Let's paint it. Which color we should paint on it? Orange. You like orange color? In meantime, can you tell me one thing that's color is orange? That's right, it's a orange. Now let's make the number 2. 2 is like a little swan swimming. We need two sticks, one curved at the top and one flat at the bottom. Wow, our number 2 is ready. Now we stick it with the help of glue. In this during time, if you like the video, so give thumbs up our video and subscribe our channel. Let's make the paint on it. We take bright yellow color. Can you tell me the name of the fruit which color is yellow? It is very sweet to eat. That's right, it's a mango. Mango color is yellow. Our beautiful number 2 is ready. 1, 2. Let's jump the number 3. 3 is like two happy half circle. Watch how we put these sticks together to make its curvy shape. In meantime, can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Great! Now we stick it with the help of glue. Wow, our number 3 it looks very beautiful. Let's paint on it. Which color we should paint? Green. I love green color because green color is good for our eyes. This green matches with tree. Tree give us lots of things like fruits, vegetable and many more. And most important thing is oxygen. Our number 3 is ready. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Here the time to make number 4. Number 4 is pretty easy to make. We need only 3 sticks. One big and 2 small pieces. Great! Our number 4 is ready. What color should we use next? That's right, it's a red color. You like it red color? Nice. Okay, now tell me red color thing. Yes, apple, strawberry. Okay, our number 4 is ready. Oh no, in meantime, paint got on my hand. But you ignore it. Enjoy your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on the next one. It is number 5. To make number 5, we need 5 pieces of stick. Watch how we arrange these sticks. Our number 5 is ready. Let's stick with the help of glue. Now the time to paint number 5. We use beautiful pink color. This pink is matched with pink flower. Our number 5 is ready. Give me high five. Can you speak with me? 5. Great. Now we move on number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces we need to make number 6. 6 looks like a circle with a curly top. We will need these sticks to make it round shape. Let's fix it with the help of glue. A very little amount of glue we need to fix number 6. Great, our number 6 is ready. Let's paint on it. Blue color is perfect for number 6. Now tell me blue color thing that's your around. Maybe your toy also. Blue ball, blue sky, blueberry. Great! Blue flower. Well done. Our number 6 is almost ready. Yes, our number 6 is ready. Let's add on this number 6 in our numbers. Lucky number 7 is on the way. 7 is like a sliding board at the playground. Do you like slide? Let's count with me how many sticks we need. We need only 2 sticks. Watch carefully. First we put one stick straight like this and then add another one sliding down. Whee! Now let's paint it orange just like a carrot. Now let's have some 7 tactic fun. Touch your nose 7 times. Great! Time for our friend number 8. We need lots of sticks to make our special number 8. Let's count them together. We place it each one. First we make the top circle, then the bottom circle. Perfect! 8 looks like a snowman, does not it? Oh, or maybe like 2 donuts stacked together. What do you think it looks like? Our number 8 is almost ready. Now the time to paint it. We use bright yellow color. This yellow looks like a banana. Here, fun 8 game. Can you find 8 things that are yellow like our number? Pretend to be an octopus with 8 arms. Did you know that an octopus has 8 legs? That's why octo means 8. Great job! Now here comes number 9. 9 looks like a lollipop or not? Let's make first round on the top. See how we curve our stick. Our number 9 is ready. Now the time to stick it with the help of glue. We need 5 drops of glue to fix it. Hey kids, we did it. Our number 9 is ready. Now the time to paint it. We will make green just like a green grass. While time paint on it, let's have some 9 fun. Can you meow like a cat 9 times? Did you know the cats have 9 leaves? That's why people say let's count to 9 like a cute little kitten. Meow, meow, great! And now the grand finale, the amazing number 10. 10 is super special because it has 2 numbers, a 1 and another is 0. Watch this magic. We will make our number 1 first, then right next to it we will create a big round 0. It's like a number 1 made a best friend. Let's make this extra special with blue color just like a sky. Can you tell me 10 body parts name? The first is head, then hair, number 3 ear, number 4 nose, number 5 lips, number 6 cheek, number 7 mouth, number 8 neck, number 10 eyes. We did it! Look how beautiful our number 10 is. It's shining and sparkling just like our wonderful counter. Now let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay kids, see you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care.